Argus Security is based in Trieste, and we are one of the world-leading designers and manufacturers of wireless and wired smoke detection and alarm devices, obviously. It was founded in the year 2000, and today we employ 100 employees, and we design and manufacture through these employees, of course, high-performance fire protection products. We are proud to be part of a bigger group. It's called Halma PLC, a global group of life-saving technology companies. I'm very proud of our brand promise to keep people safe from fire every second of every day. And all these would never happen if we do not invest in innovation and people. And to be partners of choice, mainly the wireless fire system, we need, of course, bring this to action. We do that promoting diversity and inclusion, for sure, promoting the culture based in entrepreneurial spirit, encouraging and rewarding those initiatives, of course, and to take full ownership of those. And all this will not happen if we do not have some concrete example. We are launching, actually, nowadays, a game-changing technology. It's called the Taurus. It's based on a fully wireless system and promotes the enhanced functionality, the usability, of course, and of course it keeps the brand promise, which is, as I said before, to keep people safe from fire every second of every day. To conclude, we are a very young company. We average 45 years old. And with all the experience we have in our shoulders, which is more than 20 years, we have really strong commitments to keep on growing and, of course, to bring into the market innovative products as we are doing today.